583. This ad-free experience brought to you by the letter fuck. Let's get going. So here is the source code for this delta. We're on delta 583. Let's get going. So in the data by system section in the Conways top level data, we have switched to rule set 2. And then down here in the optimized put and get, we actually forgot 4 cache variables. We forgot the layer and lateral span for the putter and for the getter. So we fixed that problem here. And let's go down. In the Conways function section within the Conways tick function, we've added support for rule set number 2 right here. So if we're on rule set 2, we're going to run the rule set 2 function that we've been working on. And then down here as we did previously, and then here are our footnotes. So we're almost done, but we have to do some texture pushing, and we'll do that in the next video. Now, if you actually want to see a technical demo of what this code looks like, you can pop on over to the technical demos playlist and look for another video called 583. So there are 3 video 583s. You're on the fast 583. This video here also has a technical demo, but it goes into the code in a little bit more depth and takes more time. It takes about 10 minutes. And this is more of a 1-minute video. So like and subscribe, send money in the mail, email me here, add me on Discord. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry proximity mine game with vertical, horizontal, and 4-way blasting mines.